Hi everyone, welcome to Things Smart Home. This is third and the final video of our Frigate series. In first video, I showed you how to install Frigate on Sun Linux using Docker or Container Manager. In second video, I showed you how to create zones and filters in Frigate to fine-tune the events and recordings. For this video, I will assume you have already installed Frigate and set up ZigBee to MQTT on your home assistant. I have already created tutorials on how to do this. I'll share the links down in the description below. If you haven't watched those videos, I highly recommend watching those ones before watching this one. In this video, we'll integrate Frigate with Home Assistant. This will expose Frigate cameras and zooms in Home Assistant, which we can use in automations. Also, we can use these entities to trigger Home Assistant notifications. Alright, so first step is to download Frigate integration from Blake Blackshear. He has done an awesome job and please do support him if you like his work. I'll share his integration GitHub repo link down in the description below. Since Frigate is not an official component for Home Assistant yet, so we have to download it from Hex. If you haven't installed Hex already on your Home Assistant, I have created a video on how to do that. I'll leave the link to that video down in the description below. Now to download the integration, go to Hex, Integration and search for Frigate and download it from there. Once this is done, go back to Settings, Devices and Services and add Integration. Search for Frigate and click on it to install it. Enter the IP address and the port number of your Frigate instance. Also, please make sure you have added your MQTT server detail in the config for Frigate to communicate with Home Assistant. Again, refer to the video 1 if you need more information on this one. Once you click on Submit and all the configs are correct, Home Assistant will create new devices for each camera and zone. And you'll be asked to select the area for each of them. I'll ignore this one since I am running this one on my test installation, so I don't really care about the area. I'll click Finish. Now go back to Settings, Devices and Services, and you should be able to see Frigate integration in there. Click on it to see all the cameras and zooms as per your Frigate configuration. You should see the entities which are exposed by default. You can also use the camera stream on your Home Assistant dashboard. I have noticed this stream loads way quicker than my direct camera stream on my Home Assistant dashboard. So it's very handy if I need to quickly look at my cameras. Then there are occupancy and motion sensors for all the objects which you are tracking as per the Frigate configurations. You should also see the sensor to show you the last snapshot for each object which was detected by Frigate. Now under configuration, we have some switches which can be used to enable or disable recordings, snapshots, and motion detections. For example, let's say you only want the events or notifications to show up while you are away or when your security alarm is active. You can use these switches in your home automation to achieve this. Alright, to make it quick and easy, I have created a simple automation to send a notification on a mobile device when an object is detected by Frigate. This will explain the process, so let's go through it. I have done this using Node-RED. If you haven't installed Node-RED on your Home Assistant yet, I'll leave the link to the video down in the description below. I'm checking for a car detection binary sensor using the state event node, and if this is true, I'm just sending a notification to my mobile device which will show the live camera feed and the optional button to go to Frigate portal. From Frigate portal, I can then view the events. Notification side is being achieved using the call service node, where I have created a simple message and title for notifications. I am assuming you have already set up device notification on your Home Assistant. I have done a video on how to do this. I'll leave the link to that video down in the description below. Lastly, I have added an action array which consists of an object to hold the title, the icon, and the access URL. Once the motion is triggered, the notification will be sent to mobile device, and a long press on the notification will open additional options to see the live camera feed or the events. Now this automation is just an example, and the possibilities here are as big as your imagination. Alright, so that's it for this video, and with this we conclude the Frigate video series. Let me know in the comments below if you need any help or assistance with Frigate. I hope you liked today's video. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.